Bellingham ground, 47574 Bravo flight up to with Delta, ready for eastbound. Correction, westbound departure.
Sportsman 574 Bravo flight Bellingham ground, runway 16, taxi via Hotel Alpha Bravo.
574 Bravo flight to Hotel Alpha Bravo.
I'm not monitoring towers, so let me know what to do.
Alright, you just follow me unless you hear otherwise. Go ahead, follow me.
Roger that.
Just a quick voiceover to tell you what the plan was for DART Day 2. Originally we were going to have a search and rescue team dropped off at Point Roberts via seaplanes at the beach to a group of waiting volunteers. However, that search and rescue team was busy doing actual search and rescue activities, and so a group of 4 campers volunteered to take their place. They then spent the night at Point Roberts at the Lighthouse Marine Campground, and then on this day we were going up to pick them up from the grass strip at Point Roberts Airport. We're operating this flight as a 2-ship, so this is my first time doing a 2-ship takeoff or following a loose trail to go land at a different airport. It was a very cool experience.
Across the shoreline, we'll just continue to climb and move off to the west.
Roger that.
Yes, Simon, I'm just going to hold my speed right here. How are you doing, intro?
I'm feeling pretty much 108.
Alright, would you like me to slow down a little?
I think you're fine. You got a lot of stuff to do before I get there anyway.
Roger that. Alright, well, we're still on the field. They said I need to do a low pass, so I'll dip down, do that pass, and then circle back around on downwind for landing.
Alright, I'm just going to do a left-hand orbit above the field at 1500 and clear down.
Roger that. I'm going to go ahead and swap over to 1228 Theta.
Alright, I'm going to fly the upwind descent and then turn my crosswind into the back from there. Point Roberts traffic, Skyhawk 2 Alpha Romeo, turning right crosswind runway 16, Point Roberts. Roberts traffic. Skyhawk 2 Alpha Romeo, turning right base runway 16, full stop on Roberts. guys hear me?
Yep.
Now, the intercom volume's pretty good, and then each of them has their individual volumes. So I don't know, like you've got a knob here. If you can't hear good enough, it like goes.
Oh no, I can see that.
No, now I've messed with it too. But
That's okay.
you can move that knob around wherever you need it. Little flight plan in there. So we're gonna have yoke all the way back. I'm gonna hold the brakes as I bring the power up. Check my engine instruments, and then I'll let go. We'll try to get the plane to do a wheelie as fast as possible. And we're off. Nose down, stay at ground effect, build our speed up, and then pull up. Point Roberts traffic, Skyhawk 2 Alpha Romeo's on the upwind, eastbound departure, Point Roberts.
Point Roberts area traffic, Bluebird Sportsman is on the wall, runway 16, departing to the east, Point Roberts. Like I'm gonna go ahead and pass it.
I figured you would. You gotta pass on the right.
Okay, perfect.
He's a lot faster than us, as you can see. Yeah, so the airport's just up there, like right on the edge of the water. You can zoom this out over here. So they should make a call, and then they'll be giving us him instructions, but us instructions as how to get to the airport, what entry to make for the runway. So probably have to ask you guys to be quiet for now. Oh, or you can keep talking. I can just isolate you. If I hit you,
Okay.
yeah, you can. So you guys can still talk. I'll just isolate you. How about that?
You hear me now?
I can hear you.
Don't want to touch your lips.
I need one of those buttons.
DBM 5 November Kilo Roger, cleared to India Delta Alpha Airport via Keynote 6 departure. Penn Cove transition, direct destination. Climb maintain 3000.
The wind is gusty here.
Frequency 132.7. Squawk 4530.
Better than a lot of commercial planes.
Skyhawk 2 Hotel Romeo, Texas, ramp via Delta, monitor ground.
Exit ramp via Delta, monitor ground, Delta Romeo. So I'll do a quick, make sure my key actually turns off the engine, but it's not how you turn off the engine, you cut the mixture. So starve the engine of fuel, and it turns itself off.
EVAC 5 November Kilo runway 16.
Bellingham Tower, Skyhawk 2 Hotel Romeo, Voyager 16 at Bravo, ready for takeoff, checking that.
Skyhawk 172, Hotel Romeo, Bellingham Tower, traffic is a Boeing 737, 5 mile final, runway 16, clear for takeoff, checking up bay.
Clear for takeoff 16, checking that bay, 2 Hotel Romeo. Alright, traffic Skyhawk 2 Hotel Romeo, turning the final, runway 16, Arlington.
Once again, I'd just like to thank SkyTerry, Northwest EVAC, the ham radio operators, all the other pilots, and food bank volunteers that helped make this drill a possibility. It was a lot of fun to take part in, and I look forward to doing it next year. Thank you.